So welcome for another video tutorial. Again, this is still under basic integration, okay? So integral calculus. So for our next problem, we have integral of quantity x raised to 3 over 4 plus 2x raised to 1 half raised to 2, okay? So since naka-raise sa 2 to, so therefore we can expand this one first before we integrate, okay? So para magawa natin yan, pwede ko siyang i-rewrite muna as ganito. So integral ng x raised to 3 over 4 plus 2x raised to 1 half. Okay? Since dalawa to, so times pa rin itong 3 over 4 plus 2x raised to 1 half dx. Okay? So itong dalawang to, equal lang yan, okay? After, so recall muna natin yung loss of exponent. Okay? Yan. So, based sa loss of exponent, if we multiply the same base, let's say a raised to n times a raised to m, ang gagawin mo lang dyan is you will just add yung exponent nila. Okay? So, this will become a raised to n plus m. So, bakit ko siya ni-recall? Kasi we can apply this one here sa problem natin. So, if we times x raised to 3 over 4 times x raised to 3 over 4, so notice the same sila lang base, diba? Which is x. So, we'll just add yung exponent ng x, which is 3 over 4. So, 3 over 4 plus 3 over 4 simply equal to 6 over 4, right? Since masisimplify pa siya, ito simplify into 3 over 2. So this will become x raised to 3 over 2 plus x raised to 3/4 times 2x raised to 1 half. So we have 3/4 plus 1 half. So add those exponents. So that is equal to 5 over 4. So may 2 pa. So this will become 2x raised to 5 over 4. Okay? And then plus, the same lang din dito. So 2x raised to 1 half times this one pala, x raised to 3/4, which is ito. 2x raised to 5 over 4 plus, lastly, itong dalawang term, multiply natin. So 2x raised to 1 half times 2x raised to 1 half. So 1 half plus 1 half simply equal to 1. So this is just equal to, may 2 pa, 2 times 2, that is 4. So this will become 4x. And then dx. Next is combine natin to because common term, diba? Or the same term. So let us just add yung coefficient, which is yung 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And after, siguro distribute natin yung integral tsaka yung dx. So this will become integral. So integrate natin each term. Integral of x raised to 3 over 2 dx plus this will become 4x raised to 5 over 4, diba? So this will become 4 and integral ng x raised to 5 over 4 plus yung 4 pwede kong ilabas and then integral ng x dx. Next, let us just integrate using power rule of integration. So 3 over 2 plus 1, that is equal to 5 over 2. So this will become x raised to 5 over 2 over, diba? 5 over 2 plus 4. Next naman, 5 over 4 plus 1, that is equal to 9 over 4. So this will become x raised to 9 over 4 and then 9 over 4. Okay, 4 yan ha. Lastly, we have integral lang x, that is equal to x squared over 2. So this will become 4 times x squared over 2 and then plus c. So notice that we have a complex fractions. What we can do to simplify this one is just take the reciprocal of our denominator. So reciprocal lang 5 over 2, that is 2/5. And for the 9 over 4, that is 4 over 9. So this will become, so 2 times x raised to 5 over 2 over 5, okay, plus sa second term meron kang 4 plus meron pang 4 dito, so that will become 16, and then x raised to 9 over 4 over 9. Okay, so din siya masisimplify, plus for this one 4 divide 2, that is equal to 2, so matitira is just 2x squared and then plus c. So since there is no further simplification, therefore this is now our final answer. Okay, hopefully na gets nyo. Thank you.